they're asking for some verification.
You are not admitted. A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Pre-Bell with Team William in India. Today, September 8th, and a clear disclaimer that the registration granted by the SEBI, the membership of BSL, and certification from NISM is no guaranteed performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of the returns to investor. Investment in the security markets are subjected to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully. Okay, so now if you see the Nifty 50 setup, the week has been good. I mean, good is not a good word. You can say it's very good one. So since last week's closing, the momentum was very good. Okay, last Friday, and it continued during the week. And for all 4 sessions, Monday to Thursday, Nifty closed higher, right? And then the volume was also decent. The volume was above average during all the 4 sessions. Plus, yesterday, the gain plus closing was very good. In fact, even on the Wednesday, the closing was near day's high. Yesterday, the closing was near day's high. So, looking at this momentum and this setup, we are moving towards a fresh high, that is 20K. And once we cross this 19991.85, we will shift the market status to a confirmed uptrend. Okay, so currently we were in under pressure when these things were happening, but now I think once we reclaim this level, we will be in a confirm uptrend. So looking at this, the probability increases of making new high. However, I think 5 continuous sessions we are moving higher. So 1 or 2 sessions here and there, we might consolidate in a range. छोटी सी रेंज में 100 पॉइंट इधर 50 पॉइंट इधर उधर हम कंसोलिडेट कर सकते हैं, बट दैट इज एब्सोल्युटली फाइन. दैट इज नॉट अ मैटर टू वरी. So broadly, it's a good setup, and we might see a fresh high soon. Even the good part is Bank Nifty ने कल 50 DMA reclaim किया after many days. I think Bank Nifty had breached its 50 DMA since many weeks, and it was trying to move above that level, but वो नहीं जा पा रहा था. But कल उसने 50 DMA भी reclaim कर लिया. So now I think banks come into the support. देखो, दो पार्ट है बैंक में, ये बड़ी प्राइवेट बैंक्स और PSU banks. So PSU banks are doing good. They are at a fresh highs, but the private banks that are heavyweights in the Nifty Bank Index as well as the Nifty 50 Index, they are not able to outperform. They are not able to even perform well. The HDFCs, the Kotaks, and the others, right? So now, if they come into the momentum, if Bank Nifty moves about 45,000 के ऊपर sustain होता है, then I think the rally over there might be very good for Nifty, and that can take Nifty to a fresh high. So Mazgaon Dock has successfully entered into a mastership repair agreement with the US government, specifically for its fleet logistics center. Okay, this is a bit non-financial agreement in nature. ऐसा कोई specific amount नहीं है, but it signifies a significant milestone as it paves way for the voyage repairs of US Navy ship to be conducted at Mazgaon Dock. Landmark Car has signed a letter of intent with M&M for opening dealership in Howrah, West Bengal. Exide Industry to invest 100 crore in a wholly owned subsidiary to manufacture advanced battery cells. So this is some new age tech. Dollar index has moved above 105, and it is at the highest level in more than last 6 months. Ashok Leyland has set a vision to be among the top 10 global commercial vehicle players. So these are some of the key news. Now, global market, yesterday US, it was a bit mixed. Dow closed into the positive zone, while S&P into the negative. However, the fall in Nasdaq was notable. Around 1% fall was there. If you look at the Asian markets, it's trading weak. The Kospi and Shanghai are down 40 bips. while Nikkei is down almost 1%. However, our market indicates a positive opening. Itna major nahi hai, but 20-30 points on the positive side is what expected looking at the gift Nifty number. So the 798 number is the futures level of Nifty. So cash से तो काफी ऊपर है yesterday का cash closing से, but these are the future level. So yesterday I think the future close was around 767. ठीक है, तो वहां से 30 पॉइंट्स जितना ऊपर खुलने का प्रोबेबिलिटी है. सो आई थिंक 750 इन कैश लेवल अगर देखें तो 750 और अराउंड दैट लेवल वी माइट ओपन. So stock of the day, this one looks very interesting. The turbine manufacturer, leading one in India. It's forming a stage 1 base. Okay, and yesterday it reclaimed it 50 DM on a very high volume. You can see over here. The fundamentals have been really good. The ROEs of 27 is 23 is excellent. Number of fund holdings exponential increase हो रहा है यहाँ पे. EPS strength is perfect. The price strength a bit fair, but it is improving. If you look at this line, which I am annotating, that is improving. The buyer demand is of B plus. The group rank is among the top 20. Okay, so but the stock is still 6% to pivot. So fundamentally, it's a good stock. The story, the growth drivers are very, very good for the stock. The tailwind is good as an industry as well. Technical setup, thoda weak tha, but now it has improved. Now the way it has reclaimed its 50 DMA, if it can further move higher and give a breakout, then this could be the part of your watch list. So let's see how this 6% it covers. Ideally, we want a higher volume and improving RS line during this 6% getting covered and a breakout on a super high volume. Okay, thank you for joining the session, guys. That's it for today. See you again on Monday.